Alright, so in our earlier video, we showed you how to, customize your own generic inquiry. So we added a line item here to the sales order. And one of the things that I'm going to do also is I'm going to specify a parameter. I'm going to say the from date and to date, and then also pick the schema field. I will add the parameters, and then I'm going to go down to conditions and set my conditions saying I want to do order date greater than equal to from date, and then order date less than equal to the to date. So I want to filter the orders between those two periods. And then also I'm interested in looking at only order types equals to SO, which is the sales order. So I can set my conditions, my grouping, my sort orders, and in the result grid, now I'm going to go and choose the new table that we added, SO line, and I want to show the inventory ID, the order quantity, and the unit price. So I can pick all those from the list of fields that are available from each of this table. So I'm going to do that, and then I can click on view inquiry, which will open up in a new window as well. So click on this, and you can see your first custom generic inquiry you wrote just from a copy of an existing one. As you can notice, the date from and to date, so it's not listing anything unless you choose. So I'm going to go choose a couple of months back, and I see that this one sales order. I want to go one more month back, and I might get a few more. So here I can see all the sales orders between those two date periods, and then also the inventory items on each of those orders. In here I have 536 sales order. There are 3 line items. So that's how easy it is for us to customize our own generic inquiries. So another thing that you can do is you can create filters. So I have created a filter here called open orders. When you click on this filter, you can come in and specify the whatever criteria you want. Here I'm saying, you know what, show me all open orders. So I would say the property as, field name status equals, and then the value being the value that's predefined in Acumatica is open. So I'm going to go ahead and choose that and hit save and make sure it is shared. So it is shared to the rest of the users. So click on apply. Then you will see all your sales orders with line items which are in the status as open. So these are filters, and this entire thing is a new generic inquiry, and you will see the screen ID, GI, and the number. So this is the GI that you wrote, or generic inquiry you wrote. Now you want to be able to take this from the test instance or the local instance and push it to your production instance. How do I do that, right? So let's head back to the GI, and I'll show you 2 ways to do it. You can go in here and export as an XML, and it saves the file on your local hard drive. And then when you go down to your SaaS instance that you have, you would then do the reverse, which is import from XML, and you would be able to pull that into the Acumatica live instance. So that's how you can share any customizations you do. However, the problem with that is, what if you did several generic inquiries, several dashboards, filters, or report changes? Then you're not going to sit there and export 10 times all the 10 different changes you did and then import them back. So there's a better way of doing that. I'm going to show you that in the next video, how to create what's called the customization packages. And then in the package, you can include all the changes that you want, all the new GIs or the existing GIs or the dashboards and the filters and everything that you customized in Acumatica, and make as a package, which then you can export out of Acumatica and then import that package and deploy it on your live instance. So thereby at one shot, you're able to take everything and port it from your test dev environment to the live environment. Okay, thank you.